the butter into the pan, 2 sticks. And we're going to take our spatula. What we're going to do, we're going to brown our butter. It's going to get this nice looking brown color. We'll come back. Okay, and that's what you're looking for. Okay, I like to take a bottle of water, put two tablespoons into this. Don't worry about the rest of the ingredients because I'll leave the description below. First, add in our butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla extract, some kosher salt, baking soda, eggs. Okay, we're going to add in our coffee mix, flour, we're going to line this all out with cookies. Good thing I got a good cookie scooper. We're going to do the rest. Okay. Now we're going to do put this in the oven, let it bake on 7 minutes on 350 Fahrenheit. We'll come back when they're finished. Just now pull these out of the oven. They're need time to cool, so they'll harden up a little bit. Okay, look at these cookies, people. These are the best cookies you're ever going to make. They're delicious. Look how they open up, so chewy looking. That is delicious. So much chocolate chips in them. I want to thank y'all for watching my channel. And if you enjoyed my video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell, and I'll see you next time.